I'm going to show you how the Peak Design everyday case for iPhone 15 went from flawed to flawless and help you decide if this case that I've been using for 3 months is the best phone case for you. Pre-orders opened for iPhone 15 in September 2023. At that point, I was still using a 6-year-old iPhone 10. It was time for an upgrade. No sooner had I placed my iPhone pre-order, I received an email from Peak Design telling me to snag the everyday case for iPhone 15 to protect my shiny new titanium device. Now, I'm a big fan of Peak Design. I own several of their products, but I thought, wow, does Apple provide certain manufacturers access to new device specs before they are released? I mean, how does Peak Design know how to size the case, and most of all, how to address hardware changes like the all new action button in iPhone 15? Well, turns out they don't. Peak Design took an educated guess on the new phone specs and went to production. How did that turn out?
Honestly, it's not that good of an experience.
Thankfully, Peak Design stood by its customers and provided replacement cases at no cost. So, what was wrong with the original case? Did they fix the issue? And should you still consider a Peak Design everyday case for your iPhone 15? Let's find out. Alright, let's take a look at the original version of the everyday case for iPhone 15, which I purchased with my own money, and see what's going on. This is iPhone 15 Pro Max size in the charcoal color. The case is wrapped in a weatherproof, recycled nylon canvas fabric with a rubberized bumper. You have aluminum buttons for volume up and down, and on the side button. A protective lip runs around the front glass and also around the camera lenses. Honestly, I think it looks great. It's sleek, simple, and modern. Let me know what you think of the look in the comments. In terms of features, this case has 2 mounting points for Peak Design anchors. So I don't know, if you want to tether this to a strap and wear it around your neck, go nuts. Now, it's also compatible with most MagSafe chargers and accessories, which is pretty sweet. Of course, its signature feature is the built-in SlimLink connection system that allows you to connect your phone magnetically to a range of Peak Design mobile mounts and accessories. These include charging stands, bike mounts, mini tripods. If you want to see a video on those, let me know in the comments. Okay, but why is there an updated version of this case? Well, that would be because of the action button. You are left with a cutout instead of a button, making it rather challenging to use this new feature that shipped with the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. Let's take a look. If you reach up with your finger in this position, it's nearly impossible to depress the action button. You really have to come at it from the side, making it a two-handed ordeal. Right, so let's unbox the V2 and see if this issue is addressed. Alright, taking a look around the new case here on the left. Everything appears pretty much identical to the original case, except for one thing. There is now a button instead of a cutout for using the action button. Let's take it for a test drive. Much better. Now I can reach up with one finger and use the action button. Honestly, if I had any complaint about the everyday case, it's that the nylon canvas back is almost too smooth. Especially with the larger 15 Pro Max size, there are moments where I'm manipulating the phone one-handed, and the case just kind of slides across my hand versus having a really secure grip. Now, I've never dropped it, but I wonder if a future version of this case, could just make it a bit more grippy. All right, so what do I think of this new V2 version of the everyday case for iPhone 15 Pro Max from Peak Design? Honestly, it's a really great experience. Despite the hiccup initially, Peak Design was quick to make things right by setting out replacement cases. Makes it really easy to toggle the action button. When you combine that with MagSafe compatibility, a treasure trove of cool accessories that seamlessly connect using SlimLink, a sleek design, and a slim profile? Honestly, I'd say they nailed it. Thanks for watching the video. If you found this helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.